Okay, need eggs, milk, and that thing for pasta. Right, sauce. Oh, what's it called? Tomato sauce? Pasta sauce? Ah, why is finding simple things sometimes so confusing?
Stuck in the supermarket aisles again, Ethan? Forgetting basic words or unsure how to ask for help politely in English? It happens to the best of us. Hi everyone, I'm Sophie.
And I'm Ethan, your fellow English learner, currently lost somewhere between the cereal and the sauce.
Welcome back to Easy English Podcast. Today, you'll learn 3 super useful phrases to ask for items at the grocery store. Clearly and politely. No more wandering aimlessly. But first, let's hear what really happened when Ethan tried to find that pasta sauce. All right, listen carefully to this short conversation. Ethan needs help finding baking powder and flour.
Excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for, what do you call it? The powder for making cakes rise?
Ah, baking powder. Certainly. It's in aisle 5, on the top shelf.
Great, thank you. And do you have flour?
Yes, we do. The flour is right below the baking powder on the same shelf unit.
Okay, below the baking powder, aisle 5, got it. Thanks so much.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need anything else. Did you catch those key location words? And how Ethan asked for help? Let's practice them. First, asking for help politely. Listen to Ethan.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Simple and polite. Let's repeat. Excuse me, can you help me? Good. Now, what if you forget the word? Ethan used
I'm looking for, what do you call it? The powder for making cakes rise?
describing the item works well. Repeat the key phrase. What do you call it? Nice. You can also say, I'm looking for the thing you use for... Let's practice asking where something is. A common way is, excuse me, where can I find the item name? Let's try with flour. Repeat. Excuse me, where can I find the flour? Perfect. Now, understanding location. Listen to the important words. It's in aisle 5, on the top shelf. The flour is right below the baking powder. Aisle is the long path between shelves. Shelf is where items sit. Top is up high. Below means underneath. Let's repeat. Aisle 5, top shelf, below. Great listening.
Ah, so asking where and listening for location words like aisle, shelf, below, next to are key.
Exactly. Keep those simple phrases in mind.
Okay, I feel ready to conquer the supermarket now. No more wrong ingredients for me.
Let's see. Quick challenge, everyone, and Ethan. You need to find milk. You have 5 seconds. How do you ask politely? Go. You could ask, excuse me, where can I find the milk? Or, excuse me, do you know where the milk is? Did you get it?
Easy? So, Excuse me, can you help me? Where can I find and listening for aisle and shelf? Simple.
You got it! Practice makes perfect. Remember to download your free PDF guide with key grocery shopping phrases, link in the description. And hit subscribe so you don't miss our next easy lesson.
You know, after practicing those simple phrases like, excuse me, and where can I find, I honestly feel less stressed about going into stores now. It's amazing how small words make a big difference.
That's wonderful to hear, Ethan. And that's really the goal for everyone listening. Building that little bit of confidence, one simple phrase at a time. Remember, progress, not perfection, is what matters. And hey, if you enjoy learning practical English in this easy, stress-free way, why not hit subscribe? We'd love for you to join our learning community.
Yeah, join us. And please, share in the comments. Even just saying hi or telling us where you're listening from means a lot. We really do read them all.
Thank you truly for spending your time with us today. We hope you feel a little more ready for your next English adventure. Keep practicing, be kind to yourself, and we'll chat with you again soon on Easy English Podcast. Take care.